All right, today we're going to continue solving for y. I know this is a new concept for you, but as you practice it more, you're going to get more comfortable with it. All right, we just follow the same steps that we do for solving any other equation. All right, so I've written a few examples here, and I'm going to work through these examples with you so you can have even more practice. All right, what we're doing is we're isolating the y, so we want the y by itself. So let's circle everything that goes with the y. That plus sign goes with the y. I'm going to divide my equation in half. All right, this is a positive 3x. Okay, we don't have to write the sign, but that's a positive 3x. This is a positive 12 because it is, and we don't have to write the sign, but we know that's a positive 12. So I need to get rid of the positive 3x. So the opposite of that is to subtract 3x. And what I do to one side, I do to the other side. I do this because that turns into 0, and I'm left with my 6y, and it's equal to my negative 3x plus my 12, because x and 12 are two different things, and I cannot add them together. Okay? Then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to divide. So I'm going to divide by 6, and I'm going to divide everything by 6. So my 6's divide away. That gives me y is equal to, I have a negative 3 divided by 6. That simplifies to be a negative 1/2 x. And then 12 divided by 6 is plus 2. All right, so I'm just doing the opposite. I'm adding or subtracting till I get the y on one side, and then I'm dividing everything by the number in front of the y. All right, so I'm going to do this next example. I'm going to divide the equation in half. I'm going to circle everything that goes with the y. This y is negative. We have a positive 2x and a negative 14. So to get my 2x to the other side, I have to do the opposite. So I'm going to subtract my 2x. And I do that because 2 minus 2 is 0, and that gets my x to go away from the left. I'm left with negative 7y, and it's equal to this negative 2x minus 14. And I put the x in front just because that's the way you do it algebraically. If you have a variable, it comes before just a number. All right, so the next thing I need to do is get rid of the negative 7 because I just want to know for one y. So I divide everything by negative 7. These divide away because that makes 1. And y is equal to a negative 2/7, or negative 2 divided by negative 7. And a negative divided by a negative makes this a positive 2/7. And I still have my x. Don't forget your x. And then a negative divided by a negative is a positive, and 14 divided by 7 is 2. Okay, this is my answer because we have y is equal to, and then everything else is on the right. Okay, and again, this was my answer over here because I have y is equal to, and then everything else is on the right. All right, one more example, then you're on your own. Okay, I'm going to divide my equation in half. I want my y on the left. I'm going to circle everything that goes with the y. That minus sign goes with the y. Okay, this is a positive 5x. It's just we don't have to write the positive. And this is a positive 12. But we don't have to write the positive. I'm just putting it there to kind of help you see when you do the opposite.